nothing but liquid, baby.
Look at that. Where was it at? Baby, over here now. Oh my God, Mommy! Warn me! Oh my God! Put these cherries in. Just very gently.
Get those cherries soaked in.
Yeah, they're fine. Do it slow.
It definitely looks like a pie now.
It's getting there.
Ooh.
This is nowhere near cooled off enough, but I want you to be able to try it before you go to bed, so. It's just nothing but liquid, baby. It needed to cool off way longer. But oh well. Oh, this is a disaster. Baby, this is what happens when you cut into a pie too soon. It's just soup. I love you too.
What? Look at that.
Hornets.
I am. Look at that. Where was it at?
Down here. I got it.
Oh, yeah.
How did you get that thing?
Yeah, I caught him by the tail.
He's going to go toss him in the creek.
Oh.
There he goes. He's tossing them in. Are they getting any bigger? There's not very many of them growing though. They've been like falling off or something.
Yeah. That's one red enough.
Yeah, they red up pretty fast, don't they?
Nice spider webs.
Well, come further down here. The spider webs usually don't come too far down here. After he tossed it in, it probably went down that way. Hold my hand tightly. All right. Don't get on that road without me. Anything in there? There's spiders hanging out in there.
I dropped your camera because something scared me. I think it's a big old bee.
Look at that. Pathetic looking strawberries. What's it taste like? I told you.
Hi.
So the difference between llamas and alpacas.
I feel like alpacas are fluffier, aren't they?
Alpacas have small blunt faces with short ears, while llamas have more long faces and longer ears.
Huh. What do they consider fur? So your kill pin is only supposed to go on that part?
You're not supposed to pin yourself in. This just acts as a wind weight.
Oh, okay.
So it tries to blow. That'll help keep down.
Oh, okay. Cool.
They all are.
I want
You want the chocolate one?
Ooh, chocolate. Yummy.
Sit
Yeah, go sit down.
Or jellyfish are you right?
What's your
Okay.
favorite kind of donut?
There's a hole in it? Oh, that's how come it's still going then. I gotta put my outside shoes on. See what I can do. I don't want to burn myself.
Thing off?
Yeah.
Oh God, Molly, let it go, let it go. Oh my God. Oh my God, Mommy! Jesus! Warn me! Oh my God!
As soon as I can, tip, just saw my life flash come on there.
So what we're doing is we're going to make a hole in the sand and it's going to hold the shape. And I'm going to use the dipper and dip wax into it. And when it starts to cool down, we're going to put a wick in it and you're going to have a candle.
Push it around it.
Yeah, pack it around it.
Pack it around it now. Now keep it in there and now pack it around it. Yeah, pack it tight. Pat it down.
All right.
What is that?
It's hot melted wax. See how it's boiling?
Looks like water. I want to drink it, kind of.
Oh my gosh, stop.
I'm not kidding.
But is it perfect? I mean, if it's not fully safe to consume. The other thing is, like, going after a perfect harvest costs you the experience of a garden. That's a lot. And to me, my garden at that point just became a representation of like this beautiful, abundant life. And though it's uncomfortable to have that process going on right now, years ago, before we had YouTube, before we had anything like that, Jeremiah and I